Welcome back to the Sidetrack Railroad and Railway Relics, unboxing the past. Today we're taking a look at Estate Sale Mystery Box number 4. Let's jump right in. Box number 4 would appear to be a jumble of locomotives and rolling stock. Let's see what we've got in here. We're going to start things off with a Peco high-side gondola. And we've got a Liliput boxcar, an Electrotron flat car, another Electrotron flat car, a Roco boxcar, a Wren Railways 260 locomotive and tender, a Willis fine model 060 tank engine that needs some assembly, a Peco cattle car, another Liliput flat car, some more Liliput rolling stock, and more Liliput rolling stock. Here we've got an interesting little 040 engine, and an Airfix level crossing kit. We've got some ballast from Missouri Valley Hobbies, a trio of Kleinbahn cars, a Liliput flat car, a group of Faller container cars, a Peco Caboose, some Roco scenery, a Joof water tower, a Roco crane, a Darjeeling tea container with some ballast, some Roco parts, a motor, some scenery pieces, some quick pylons, a Kitmaster engine, or just its leftover parts, another Kitmaster locomotive, some assembly required, a Kleinbahn hopper, some Airfix platform canopy, some random track, and last but not least, my favorite in this box is this Chooch Enterprises inspection pit. And mostly because it's from Chooch Enterprises. I find the name hilarious. So really not a lot of locomotives in there, mostly rolling stock, some scenery, and of course parts. Parts in every box, it seems. But again, this was a free box, so what do you guys think? Did we find any relics in here, or was this all just rubbish? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you'd like more detail on any of these items, please let me know down in the comments as well. That's going to do it for this episode of Railway Relics Unboxing the Past. I'll see you next time.